Good morning. Today we're going to talk about how SIMBYM organizations are set up within SIMBYM. SIMBYM allows you to set up the organization in a structured manner so that you can apply the organization across our multiple modules. At the highest levels, we have the divisions, so you can set up multiple divisions. And during initial setup, we do create a default division, and everything goes under that. And then under the divisions, you have teams. And during again, we do create a default team when you first sign up for SIMBYM. We have within the teams, you have resources, and then there are multiple services that can be created. Uh, Services are nothing more than tasks that the team can provide or can perform. So you can have a single team performing multiple different types of tasks, and this is all used both on the Servizo side and the work side. And then resources are attached to teams, and then teams all have a parent team, so you can have a hierarchy of teams. And in addition to it, you can set up leads for the team as well as services based on the resources that you have entered. Now, when we initially set up when you sign up, we automatically set up a default team, a default service, and the logged in user who creates the company will be added to the resources. Now, resources within SIMBYM are assigned different resource roles. So a single resource can have multiple roles assigned to them. And roles are defined separately and they correspond to the roles within your organization. Now, each role within the organization can have multiple privileges. What privileges are is, for example, you can have a data set where there is a create privilege and edit privilege, as well as a read privilege, and those are privileges. So when a user is assigned a specific role, they automatically assume all the privileges that are attached to the role. That gives them access to different things within the organization. Now, the privileges are the most granular item in terms of authorization for security, and they are attached to different items. Now, when you configure your own data sets and processes, you use privileges to control who has access to what, and then those privileges are obviously transformed to the roles and then to the resources, and that's how security works within SIMBYM. So hierarchically, we use divisions, teams, services, resources, resource roles, and privileges to set up the organization. This is a very high level introduction to organizations within SIMBYM.